Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making a traditional shepherd's pie that is straightforward and easy to make. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by peeling our potatoes and chopping them into large chunks. Over medium heat in a large pot filled with cold water, we are going to place our potatoes. And we're going to boil these potatoes until they are fork tender. Next, we're going to mint our garlic. Now chop your celery. Now chop your carrots. Now chop your onion. Now that we are done cutting our veggies over medium heat in a large skillet, we're going to add our oil. Now add your onions and your garlic. Now saute for 1 minute. Now add your celery and carrots. Give that a mix. And we're going to saute these for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how our veggies are looking. Now we're going to add our ground lamb. Now go ahead and break up this meat. Now it's time to season our dish. We're going to season with some thyme, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and some rosemary. Now go ahead and give it a good mix. And we're going to continue cooking this until the lamb is no longer pink. After 10 minutes, add in your peas. And we're going to allow this to simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now we're going to add our tomato paste. Now give that a mix. Now we're going to cook this for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add our W sauce. Give that a mix. Red wine. And our beef broth. I do want this gravy to thicken up a little bit, so I am going to add some cornstarch into a bowl and some beef broth. Give that a mix. I'm going to pour this right in here. After adding in your slur, go ahead and give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasoning. After tasting mine tastes really good and does not need any additional seasoning. So what I'm going to do now is turn off the heat. Using a 9x13 dish, I am going to pour in my mix. Now go ahead and spread this out, just like so. Now go ahead and set this aside. Now it's time to check our potatoes. So I'm just going to stick my fork right in it. And it is fork tender. As you can see, the fork went right through it. Now go ahead and turn off the heat and we are going to drain the water. And we're going to return the potatoes back in. Now we are going to add our butter. Now using a potato masher, we are going to mash our potatoes. After mashing it with the butter, now we are going to add our heavy whipping cream. Now continue mashing your potatoes. And while you're mashing your potatoes, go ahead and set your oven to 400 degrees. We are going to season our mashed potatoes with some garlic, black pepper, and salt. Give that a good mix. I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese. Now give it a taste. And this is perfect. So what I am doing now is taking my mashed potatoes and placing it right on top of my meat. Now I am going to spread the mashed potatoes. Now take your fork and basically just slide it across the mashed potatoes. And we're just doing a little design on top. Just like so, guys. Now go ahead and stick this in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Hello guys, so my shepherd's pie is ready and my house smells incredible. Take a look. I love the golden crust on top. I also have some over here that I'm gonna try for you guys, and my mouth is watery. It's so good. This is so delicious, guys, and it's so simple. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.